become a strong thinker, and everything will change. We wake before the world has decided who we are going to be today. In that quiet hour, before the noise rushes in, we are given a choice. Not the loud, dramatic kind, but the most important kind there is. The choice of how we will think, because everything that follows, our discipline, our peace, our strength, will rise or fall on the quality of our thoughts. A strong life is built first in the mind, and it is built deliberately. 1. We begin by taking ownership of the inner world. Each morning, we remind ourselves of a hard truth. Events do not command us, our judgments about them do. The world will bring friction. People will disappoint. Plans will collapse. None of this is new. What is new is our refusal to hand over control. As one Roman emperor once wrote in his private notes, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." So we begin here. We separate what belongs to us from what never did. Our opinions, our choices, our character. These are ours. Everything else is weather. When anger stirs, we don't suppress it. We examine it. When fear appears, we don't obey it. We question it. Destructive emotions lose their grip the moment we stop treating them as masters and start treating them as signals. 2. We train the mind to pause before reacting. The untrained mind reacts instantly. The trained mind pauses. In that pause, we reclaim our freedom. A former slave-turned-teacher warned that it is not things themselves that disturb us, but the views we take of them. So we slow down, not to escape reality, but to see it clearly. We ask, is this within my control? Is my response aligned with who I intend to be? This pause is not weakness. It is discipline. It is the space where impulse dies and intention is born. 3. We practice voluntary hardship of thought. Comfort weakens thinking. Resistance sharpens it. Each morning we rehearse difficulty, not to suffer, but to prepare. We imagine being criticized, losing status, being misunderstood. We remind ourselves that we can endure these things without losing ourselves. A sharp mind is not surprised by adversity. It has already visited it, calmly, rationally, before the day begins. As one philosopher wrote, "He who suffers before it is necessary suffers more than is necessary." We do not borrow pain from the future, but we do borrow clarity. 4. We refuse to be ruled by emotion. Emotion is not the enemy. Unexamined emotion is. We do not try to feel less, we try to understand more. When jealousy appears, we trace it back to insecurity. When rage rises, we uncover wounded pride. When anxiety tightens its grip, we expose false beliefs about control. Strong thinkers do not ask, "How do I feel?" They ask, "What judgment produced this feeling?" And once the judgment is corrected, the emotion follows. 5. We anchor ourselves in virtue, not outcome. The world measures success by results. We measure it by alignment. Did we act with integrity? Did we remain disciplined when it was inconvenient? Did we choose reason over impulse? A modern scholar of this philosophy reminds us that this path is not about suppressing life, but about directing it. We cannot guarantee success. We can guarantee effort guided by reason. This is how the mind becomes unshakable, by tying its worth to what it controls, and nothing else. 6. We accept reality. Without resentment, resistance to reality drains the mind. Acceptance sharpens it. We stop asking, "Why me?" and start asking, "What now?" We do not argue with the present moment. We use it. A thinker from centuries ago put it plainly. A good person dyes events with their own color. Reality is raw material. The mind decides what it becomes. 7. We end each morning with resolve. By the time the day begins, we are already prepared. We know our values. We know our weaknesses. We know that the world will test us, and we are ready to meet it without surrendering our inner command. This is how everything changes. Not overnight, not magically, but inevitably. When the mind becomes strong, life follows. And so we walk this path together, thinking clearly, choosing deliberately, and meeting each day not as victims of circumstance, but as architects of character. The world may remain chaotic, but within us there is order, and that is enough.